What's up, YouTube? In this week's DJ Quick Chat, I'm going to talk a little bit about there's going to be times where you're going to have to step into the coordinator role on top of working as a DJ and MC for the event. Grab some coffee, hang out for a few minutes, and let's chat. Yo! Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And this week's DJ Quick Chat, like I said in the beginning, is going to be all about you as a DJ stepping into the event or wedding coordinator role.
All right, guys, let's go drink a bunch of free booze and be a huge presence in the wedding photos.
Oh, what a night. Late December back in 63.
As always, thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, and subscribed on all my videos. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you never miss out on any new videos that I put up. Now, normally, I put these out every Sunday morning, as those of you who have been following me know. But next week, I got a really cool announcement to tell you guys. I'm not going to have any videos next week, and the reason for that is because I'm booked to play for a massive expo that's happening down in Florida. This expo is about a week long. They see over 200,000 people throughout the week, and I'm booked to play for not one, but two VIP After Dark huge parties for influencers, celebrities, media. It's gonna be wild. So I'm gonna be creating an awesome gig log on this. And because of the fact that I'm actually going to be down there next week, I'm not really going to have any time to upload a new video. So stay tuned. In 2 weeks, I'm going to be adding the mother of all gig logs about this huge event and traveling down there, and it's just going to be really, really cool. I'm way behind on all my gig logs. I have a lot of editing I still need to do on prior events, but I'm going to make it a focus and a priority to do a gig log on this big Florida trip and the gigs that I'm booked for so that you guys can check it out. Okay, let's get into it. Coordinators. Now, most events that you as a DJ that you do will have a wedding planner or a coordinator or the venue manager or whatever. Someone will be there to actually take over the reins of being the coordinator and getting everybody situated and all that stuff. But those of you guys that are seasoned vets and have been doing events and weddings for many years, you guys know that there's going to be a lot of times where there is no coordinator present, there is no planner, the venue manager may have left or can't be found, and you're just going to have to fulfill those shoes. You're going to have to be the coordinator, you're going to have to get everybody situated, you're going to have to get them lined up, you're going to have to get them in their right spots and places, you're going to have to direct them on where they got to go, you're going to have to tell them where to stand, and you're going to have to give them the timeline of all of the different events that are happening. Tons and tons of things that go on that normally a coordinator should be doing for you. But if you are a brand new DJ, this video is for you because it's going to inform you and educate you on the fact that, yes, there are going to be times where you show up and it's not as simple as setting up all your gear, playing music all night, making some announcements, emceeing the event, and then you go home. No. You are going to have to be the coordinator. So don't let this scare you. It's very easy. It's very simple. There's not really a whole lot to it. You're not basically setting up all the decor and the tables and all that stuff. Really, as a coordinator, what it comes down to is meeting with all of the other vendors who might be at the event. In this case, let's just say it's a wedding. You're going to have to meet with the photographer, the videographer. You're obviously going to have to check in with the bride and the groom throughout the night. You're going to have to let everybody know what's going on. You're going to have to meet with the officiant. You're going to have to get them set up with the mic and show them how to use the mic. For the wedding party, you may even have to give them cues of when they have to walk down the aisle for the ceremony. When it comes to the actual wedding itself, before the grand introductions where you announce the whole wedding party. You're going to have to maybe get them all lined up in the right order. You're going to have to call their names when you're getting them lined up and make sure that you have the names correct and they know where they're going and they know where they have to stand. And they're going to have to know what's going to happen after the first dance or after the parent dances. They're going to have to know where they need to be at for their speeches and blessings and all that good stuff. You're going to have to get everyone together maybe for the cake cutting. There's just a ton that's involved with just really coordinating everybody who's at the event, the important people, I should say, like the bride and the groom, the wedding party. Or maybe you're doing a Sweet 16 and you need to get the court set up with all the kids. And those of you that have been doing weddings for a long time, you guys know that sometimes it's like herding cats. Everyone is just all scatterbrained. Some are probably drunk. Some are just not even in the room. They could be outside. It's craziness. So getting everybody together and making sure everybody knows what they're doing, where they're going, and the sequence of events when they enter the room. That's all the coordinator's role. That's everything that you're going to have to do in certain times when the venue coordinator, or the venue manager, or the wedding planner, whatever, is not present. So that's really all I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about in this week's DJ Quick Chat. Don't be afraid of it. Don't be, thinking that, oh, I'm just a DJ. I'm just here to play music. I'm not going to worry about all that. But I can tell you guys that if you don't step into the coordinator role, it's going to make your life really difficult at the event. Because making sure that everybody at the event knows what they're doing, where they're going, getting everybody together, that's going to make you a much better DJ as far as how you play and when you play certain music, certain songs, certain tracks, whatever, how you're going to announce people, all that. So sometimes in order for you to do your job as a DJ effectively and really, really well, it's almost mandatory. You need to step into that coordinator role. Now, don't just say, oh, no, I'm just a DJ. I'm just the MC. I don't care about any of that stuff. Well, kind of put your ego to the side and just do it. And I can tell you guys that when you do step into that little bit of that coordinator role, not only do your clients freaking love it, but other vendors like the photographer, the videographer, the officiant, even the catering company, they freaking will love you because of the fact that you went above and beyond of just being a DJ. They look at it as you're making their life easier, and the wedding client is going to be happy. It's making their life easier. They're going to be less stressed, and not only are you going to get that incredible 5-star world-class review, but all the other vendors that are there, they're most likely going to put you on their preferred vendor list because they know that you're just not showing up, playing music, making a few announcements, and then going home. You're doing a lot more to really help them make their job better. And hey, if there's people out there that can make our jobs easier, then we'll love them all day long. So just keep that all in mind. Like I said, I'll talk to you guys in about 2 weeks. Look out for that really awesome gig log that I'll be creating from the events and the traveling down to Florida. And as I always say, a day without dancing is a day wasted. Until 2 weeks from now, take care, guys.